But I don't know. I need to do a little research and find out what's in that vaccine. Well, hello, family. Let me go ahead and warn you, you might see some eczema on my face. Just don't worry about all this stuff. I wanted to just chat with you briefly because earlier I was looking at the news and the Pfizer vaccine that was administered in the UK. Supposedly there's two. I think there were maybe 2 people who had some type of reaction to it. So now the concern is allergies and, allergic reaction. Lots of us have allergies. So what I want to know from you is, are you thinking of, hey, honey? Or are you just going to say, no way, Jose, and you never know when you're going to take it? You really don't know if you're going to take it or not? I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Hey, hubby. But yeah, 2 people have had some type of reaction to it, and that's 2 people. That's 2 for me. 2 me. Of course, now I just took the flu shot. What? 2 years ago for the first time. Yeah. So I'm, I guess you can sort of just say, oh, she's just against vaccines. But yeah, I just wanted to know, are y'all planning to take it as soon as it's available to you in your area? I live in North Carolina, so I was originally thinking, hey, I'm gonna take it as soon as it's available to North Carolina residents. But I don't know. I need to do a little research and find out what's in that vaccine. Like my husband, he's allergic to penicillin. So that's something to think about. So yeah, let me know what y'all are gonna do. If you're just not going to take it. If you're a healthcare worker, they're saying in some places they're gonna make you take it or require that you take it. Not make you take it, but kind of push for you taking it. I don't think anybody will be fired, but then I don't know. So yeah, let me know what you're gonna do, and I will chat with y'all another time. Don't forget, when no one else will, be your own cheerleader, create your own sunshine. See you on the next upload.